If you've been following my videos, then you know that I'm trying to get my 46 Willys CJ2A up and running for this coming summer. Change the fuel pump, change the oil, pull the spark plugs, and in one of the videos I mentioned that these are all rusty. Well, while I've got them out, I thought I would try and check the spacing on the electrodes. So I cleaned these spark plugs, put a little bit of oil on the outside to keep them from rusting again, and then I wanted to just take some sandpaper, some light sandpaper, and just clean any residue off the inside of those electrodes. They're actually really good shape. Truth is, the Jeep ran really well. Never had any problems with it skipping, or it just always ran well, always had plenty of power. Other than the fact that, as I've said several times, I haven't started it and run it in the last 4 years. So that is this spring's goal. Anyway, so I just cleaned the electrodes. Now I want to check the electrode spacing. According to the manual, it's supposed to be 30 thousandths gap. And 30 goes in this one. 32 is really snug, and I can make it go through. I'm going to just tap it. I know, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to have the right tool. I don't have the right tools. This is the way I grew up doing it. As long as you're not being brutal. Okay, that's good. 30 goes through, 32 won't go through. 30 falls through. 32 will not start. Third plug. Sucks getting old. I can't see the darn numbers. 30 is loose. 32 goes through, just barely. That's pretty tight. I'll just tap that a little bit. "32 will not go through. 30 will go through." Number 4, 30 will, well, 30 goes through. It's a little snug though. So that means 32 is not going to go through. I know, you're supposed to have a tool. I do, it's a little screwdriver. I'm not yarding on them, I'm just using them very gently. Okay, 30 goes through, 32 will not go through. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. I'll see you guys in the next